Recovery is about restoring movement, strength, and independence. And behind every recovery is someone who understands the body. At NIMS College of Physiotherapy and Occupational Therapy, you learn to restore movement, function, and independence step by step. With 25 plus years of excellence, a 450 plus acre campus, and 20,000 plus students, NIMS stands as one of Asia's most advanced learning ecosystems. Begin with a Bachelor of Physiotherapy and Occupational Therapy or specialize with MPT in orthopedics, neurology, sports, pediatrics, and many more. In advanced labs like electrotherapy, exercise therapy, and neuro rehab, you gain real industry experience from your very first class. Because real understanding begins when theory meets a patient in recovery. Train at NIMS Multi-Super Speciality Hospital from day one. Learn with industry experts and practicing clinicians who bring real cases into your learning. With 1.2 crore rupees highest package, 45,000 plus offers, and 100% placement assistance, your career moves forward with confidence. NIMS University, Rajasthan. The future is already enrolled.